Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to install and use this zigzag attachment on your industrial sewing machine. This zigzag attachment helps you upgrade your straight sewing machine into a zigzag machine, and you can do 10 main zigzag stitches. Then you can vary it to produce more decorative stitches, which I am going to show you. These are the components of this box. When you purchase this zigzag attachment, these are the things you will get inside it. So these are the components of the zigzag attachment box. The zigzag attachment itself. This is the zigzag attachment itself. This is the lever, the foot lever, for you to use it with an industrial sewing machine. This one that is with it, this is for manual sewing machine. So the good thing about this zigzag attachment is that you can use it with your manual sewing machine, and you can also use it with an industrial sewing machine. So this is the lever to use it with an industrial sewing machine. Also the needle screw, this needle screw for your industrial sewing machine. I have already made a tutorial on how to change this needle screw on your industrial sewing machine. So just look for versatile needle screw, industrial versatile needle screw on our YouTube channel, and you see tutorial on how to change it. So I won't be doing that here. I will just continue with installing the foot on our machine and using it. Here is where you choose your stitches. So once you press this lever down, you can slide this to choose the stitch you want to sew. So once you slide to select the stitch, you drop it, then you can no longer slide it. So that is how to change to any stitch of your choice you want to sew. So I'll be demonstrating that for you to see. The first thing to do is to change this foot lever to this one, and I'll be using my star screwdriver to do that. If you don't have this screwdriver, then you should get it. It is very useful in sewing. It comes as a set of 2, star and the flat, for all your small loosenings. Very sturdy and very strong. So I have removed, you can see that I have removed the one for manual machine. I have put the one for industrial machine here. So I will screw it tight. I'm going to screw it tight. The next thing is the installation on my industrial machine. So I'll be removing my regular foot screw. I'm going to unscrew it and remove my foot. I will unscrew it and remove my foot. Please note how I'm going to install this. This lever, I'm raising it up, raise it up a bit, and I'm sliding it in through the back. And while I'm sliding it in, make sure this lever hangs on your needle screw here. Make sure it hangs on your needle screw. So as you are fixing it on your foot lever, I raised my foot lever, make sure it hangs on this needle screw. Then screw it tight. this is where I will be changing my stitch length. I have from 0 to 5, so I can change my stitch length from 0 to 5 here, because this stitch length affects the outcome of the zigzag stitches too. So when I say I change my stitch length, know that this is where you change your stitch length. So let's start with our first stitch. I'm doing my first stitch at the longest stitch length, which is 5. Now let us sew our zigzag stitches. Notice I pulled my thread to the back, and I'm starting with the stitch number 8 on the zigzag attachment. So I'm going to sew. I'm sewing at length of 5, stitch length of 5. So this is the stitch at the stitch length of 5. So now we are sewing at a smaller stitch length of 2. So you can see what I mean when I say your stitch length affects the overall outcome of your stitches. Let me sew at the stitch length of 3 now, just to show us the variations of the stitch length. So you can see the differences it gave us. This is stitch length of 5, this is stitch length of 2, and this is stitch length of 3 of the same stitch 8. Now let's make stitch 7. I'm going to press down this stitch changer lever, and I'm just going to slide this to 7. So we will sew stitch 7. This is stitch 7. Let's do stitch 6. I've changed it to 6. So we are on 6th stitch now. And stitch 6 is just a zigzag. Now let me increase the length of this stitch 6 to stitch length 5. This is stitch length of 5. Let's see what it's going to give us. So this is stitch length of 5. This is stitch length of 5 for the same stitch 6. You can see stitch length of 5, and this is stitch length of 3. So your stitch length affects the outcome of these zigzag stitches. I have tried various stitches with various variations on this tutorial. I've not tried all the variations, but some of the variation, and this is what I have. So this is simply how to use the zigzag attachment on your industrial sewing machine. You can use it on your manual sewing machine as well. The same settings, just change this lever and put your needle screw. I hope this has been able to help someone. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow our social media pages and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.